welcome back to the John and Maila's channel. On today's video, we'll be doing the Tonkatsu. These are the ingredients you'll need for the Tonkatsu. If you want the complete set like the one you see in the restaurants, you can get Japanese short grain rice. The recipe is in the description below. And then I'll get some furikake. This tastes absolutely godly delicious. I recommend you getting it. And for the tonkatsu sauce, I got the Bulldog brand. And last but not least, the instant miso soup for the complete set. Alright, the first thing we gotta do is slice the cabbage. Slice as thinly as possible and then soak them in the ice water and strain. You can set them aside in the refrigerator. Next, you want to tenderize the meat. If you got a meat mallet, just pound them as per normal. If not, use a chopper, the back of the chopper, and flatten it down. Before you coat them in your flour, egg, and breadcrumb, season them. We want to season them in flour, egg, and then breadcrumbs. Once it's coated, it's time to cook them. The temperature of the oil should be 160 to 170 degrees. Fry for 2 minutes each side on low to medium heat. And then fry an additional 30 seconds on each side. If you're still a little bit nervous about getting this pork cutlet cooked, use a thermometer if you have. The optimal temperature you want to achieve is 160 Fahrenheit, which is 72 degrees Celsius. Or if you are adventurous enough, try to remove the pork cutlet at 145 Fahrenheit, or which is 62 degrees Celsius, and leave it on a cooling rack to allow carryover cooking, to cook it through, and then it will achieve the optimal safety temperature, which is 72 degrees Celsius. And there you have it, that's your tonkatsu. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next week.